Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you dear students at Peshawar Model School Nowshera YouTube channel. This is Hazrat Bilal Dijra Pakistan Study. This is grade 10. First of all, you should subscribe the YouTube channel of Peshawar Model School Nowshera, and after that you should submit the SVT for the month of April and May. You should submit that is by 13 June at the school office. The timing is 8 to 2 o'clock. Now that is the new assignment for you people, that is for the month of June. That here they mentioned you, they given you the task define and elaborate. Elaborate means explain the following terms. That is some of the political terminology. That is the first terminology, that is executive. Here the government triangle, these are the governmental machinery, the triangle, that is also known as a triangle. The one is executive, second is legislature, and that is judiciary. These are the governmental machinery, that is known as also a triangle. These three components makes the governmental machinery. ये जो तीन पिलर्स है, दैट इज़ आल्सो नीन इज थ्री पिलर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. ये तीनों मिलकर जो है किसी भी मुल्क में एक कंप्लीट गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं. गॉट इट? सो व्हाट इज़ बेसिकली एग्जेक्टिव? दैट इज़ द टास्क फॉर यू पीपल टू डिफाइन एंड टू एक्सप्लेन. नाउ I try to explain for you people. That is the first one, executive. Executive is comprised mean मुश्तमिल, consist of the governing body. Governing mean जो हुकूमत को चलाते हैं, that is mean governing. What is their duty? What is the duty of executive? That is responsible to run the affair of the government according to the law passed by the legislature. Legislature is also known as law-making body. Legislature is also known as parliament. Here in Pakistan, there are two houses of the parliament. The one is known National Assembly and the other is known as Senate. Both these are known as a legislature, or it is also known as parliament. Legislature means law-making body. You can also take help from some of the political science book from the Google, etc. Further, you can also elaborate it. Now the next one, that is legislative. Legislative means law-making or legislature. Legislature means law-making body. Law-making body means that is law-making body that is known as parliament. Parliament, law-making body or legislature. And here in Pakistan there are two houses of the parliament or the legislature. The one is Senate and the one is National Assembly. That is Senate and that is National Assembly. NATIONAL, National, and ASSEMBLY, National Assembly. The legislature, also called the parliament, it is responsible to frame the laws. Laws mean कवानीन मुल्क के बना लिए, and to amend the already existing laws. और मुल्क में जो ऑलरेडी मौजूदा कवानीन है, इसमें कहीं भी जो चेंज की ज़रूरत होती है, सो पार्लियामेंट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट. वेन एवर रिक्वायर्ड मीन्स जब भी ज़रूरत हुई थी. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल जो है अभी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ की जो मुद्दत एज रिटायरमेंट थी वो 60 ईयर्स थी. उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, इसको जो है बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत है, तो पार्लियामेंट ने उस शिक में तरमीम करके 60 से इसको 64 कर दी. दैट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ द लेजिस्लेचर. इट मे आल्सो बी नोटेड दैट लेजिस्लेचर आर द इलेक्टेड मेंबर ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट. जिस तरह आम जनरल इलेक्शन में आवाम के वोटों से मुंतखब होते हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे मुल्क में जो मेंबर ऑफ द नेशनल असम्बली MNAs एंड मेंबर ऑफ द प्रोविंशियल असम्बली MPAs होते हैं, जो कि वो कॉमन पीपल्स के वोट से मुंतखब होते हैं. सो दीज आर द मेंबर ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट, that they are elected by the vote of the common people. So it is mandatory, compulsory for them to establish, to make the laws as per need and aspiration of the public. Aspiration means ख्वाहिशात, needs. जो आवाम की जो नीड्स हैं, आवाम की जो ख्वाहिशात हैं, उसी के मुताबिक ये लोग जहन में रखते हुए कवानीन बना। Now the third pillar of the government, that is judiciary. Here they also demanded that what is judiciary? Judiciary is the third pillar of the government, and it is the prime duty of the judiciary to interpret, to explain the laws passed by the legislature and to keep check upon these both pillars. Executive कोई भी order pass करने, so the judiciary have the right to check whether it is according to the constitution or not. Judiciary is responsible to interpret, to explain the laws passed by the legislature. Judiciary is also responsible to keep check on the executive and the legislature. In our country, Pakistan, chief executive is known as Prime Minister. Now currently Imran Khan is the chief executive of the country. It is depend on the nature of the constitution that in some country chief executive is also known as a president, while in some country where parliamentary form of government, in that country chief executive was prime minister, and where presidential form of government is that country chief executive is the president. Got it? Judiciary not only explain the right and duty of the citizen means common people of the country, but also elaborate, explain the role and task of the government. Here further two branches of the judiciary, that is the sketch of Supreme Court, that is overall the country chief court is known as Supreme Court, and on the provincial level the chief court is known as High Court, and on the district level the chief court is known as District Court or Session Court, that is also known as Session Court. That all about the three terminology. The coming three terminologies: the presidential form of government, parliamentary form of government, and bureaucracy. That will be explained inshallah in the coming video. Thank you.